Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make steak more tender. First, let's explore mechanical methods. Pounding your steak with a mallet physically breaks down tough muscle fibers, making it softer. You can also use a fork to pierce the surface, which helps marinades penetrate deeper. Scoring the steak with shallow cuts also aids in tenderness and flavor absorption. These simple steps prepare your steak for a more enjoyable eating experience. Next, consider the power of marinades. Acidic ingredients such as vinegar, lemon juice, or even yogurt help to denature proteins, making the meat more tender. Enzymatic marinades, often found in fruits like pineapple or papaya, contain natural enzymes that break down connective tissues. Remember to marinate for at least 30 minutes for best results, but be careful not to overdo it, especially with strong enzymes. Proper cooking techniques are crucial for tenderness. Slow cooking methods, like braising or sous vide, allow connective tissues to break down over time, resulting in very tender meat. Reverse searing, where you cook slowly then sear quickly, also ensures an evenly cooked and tender steak. Always remember to rest your steak for at least 5 to 10 minutes after cooking. This allows the juices to redistribute, keeping it moist and tender. Finally, let's talk about salting and cutting. Pre-salting your steak, sometimes for several hours, draws out moisture and then reabsorbs it, leading to a more tender bite. When serving, always cut your steak against the grain. This shortens the muscle fibers, making each piece easier to chew and more tender. Brining is another excellent option to enhance both moisture and tenderness throughout the meat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.